Let's go! Atlas must perform 500 meters of fear. Then there's roving 1,000 meters biker and learning therapies over line. We have two categories here on the field, Masters 50, Masters 55. Athletes need to complete 500 meters speed and then 1,000 meters on the bike. After that, 30 burpees over the line. And we have our first on the bike, first athlete.
Не ворвет? Опа, капа.
2 minutes in, it's a 6-minute time back event. If you're watching the live board, every 100 meters, the athletes get a point.
Сейчас погулять, крокодил подтопулёв.
Here on the galleries, Matlin, Komarovsky, and Ganev. 3 minutes in, 3 more minutes to go. Judges, hands in the air, and the first on the burpees, lane number 5, Matlin. Lane 5, 6, and 7, Ganev, Komarovsky are fighting here for the first place. 2 more minutes to go. Very fast last year in Memphis. Let's go,
I'm obscure.
Back up, speed 34 burpees.
Давай, Тхумере! Убего! Давай! Газ! Аре! Формисе наш наркоман!
Ganev with 4 minutes and 42 seconds.